The Great White Bear. Gabriel and his wife Clara lived near a forest. It was Christmas Eve, but they both were sad. They knew that, like every year, the trolls would come at night and throw them out. That evening, a hungry great white bear knocked at their door and asked for some food. Kind Gabriel offered him a part of the feast he had prepared for the trolls. The bear looked at the couple and asked them, "Why are you sad?" With a sigh, Gabriel told him about the trolls. At midnight, the trolls came with terrible thumping sounds. Gabriel and Clara rushed out into the forest, but the great white bear stood still. The trolls were surprised as the bear was not afraid. A plump troll mocked him. "Big bear, aren't you scared of us?" The bear thundered and stomped his foot. Then he picked up a huge troll and kicked him out of the window. Afraid, the rest of them ran away. That night, Gabriel and Clara were delighted to spend the Christmas Eve in their own house. Gabriel thanked the great white bear with teary eyes. Next year, on the Christmas Eve, the trolls came but did not enter Gabriel's house. Moral of the story: never be afraid of anyone.